Hello! I'd like to meditate with you today. Today's meditation will be on feeling a little bit tipsy. It's my birthday this weekend, on Monday actually, and so I'm celebrating next weekend, but I'm also celebrating this weekend because it's my birthday and I can celebrate as much as I want. So yeah. I got a little bit tipsy with my family. My parents, just a little bit. I had about 3 glasses of wine with dinner. I had lots of food, so I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm just a little bit tipsy and it's fun. So I just wanted to share with you what it's like to meditate on being tipsy. So to meditate on being tipsy, all you have to do is bring your awareness to being tipsy and just the sensations of being tipsy. So I feel a little bit silly and my body feels a little bit loose and I feel a little bit of a headache because the wine, wine gives me a bit of a headache and kind of this weird like my eyes don't want to fully open. So I'll just be aware of it. Awareness is the basis of meditation, and awareness is the knowingness, the thing in your mind that knows what you're doing, saying, thinking, or feeling at any given moment. So we can be aware of anything we want at any time, anywhere, anytime. So I'd like to remind you that I'm not a meditation teacher. I'm a student who's been practicing for the last 9 years and would like to explore the idea that you can meditate anywhere, anytime, on anything. So today we're going to meditate on being tipsy, 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 tipsy. So, I'm just feeling a little bit silly and I just want to share with you that feeling because maybe you have the sensation of being tipsy sometimes. I mean, it's a frickin' Friday night and it's my birthday on Monday. So I can't help it if I want a little bit of wine. And you know what? I'm healing and I'm not on as many pain medications as I was before. Like, I'm not on any morphine, so that's great. So I can have a bit of wine and enjoy myself for my birthday. And I want to enjoy myself with you. So meditating on feeling tipsy. How do you meditate on feeling tipsy? All you have to do, like I said before, is be aware of being tipsy and the sensations that come along with it. So I feel a little bit silly and I want to sing about it. Not really. I don't want to sing, actually. I really don't. I don't. I just feel like telling you about it. I feel like expressing how it feels to be tipsy. It feels silly and you feel it in your body. You feel warm. I feel very warm and cozy. And my face feels fuzzy. And yeah, it's just a nice sensation, honestly. I hope I'm not too hungover tomorrow. 3 drinks is quite a lot for me. Usually it takes me 4 drinks to get hungover, so there's a little bit of worry there. But, I'm tipsy, so I don't really care that much. I'm not that worried. I'm just feeling fun. I'm in my onesie. I love it. My mom gave it to me because she was going to go on a camping trip with it, but realized that she'd have to take off the whole thing to go to the washroom in the middle of the night in the woods, which would be not fun. So she gave it to me, which makes me happy. And, yeah. So I can remember all these things that come and go in my mind, like why I got this onesie and how much I love it. And I can just be aware of that and let it come and go. And that's meditation. Literally, honestly, that's it. It's not that hard. It's so funny how weird society thinks meditation is. Meditation is literally just being present in the moment and actively being present in the moment. But society thinks it's this weird, almost like transcendent, new wave kind of thing. But honestly, it's the thing as old as ourselves, because in my opinion, I don't know, but consciousness developed and then we became aware. So awareness is our consciousness and what makes us pretty much human. So it's kind of essential and has been essential for our entire existence. So meditation is just the active use of our awareness, the active watching our awareness, so that it's not just, we're not just aware of whatever we're doing, we're actively aware. We recognize that we're aware of whatever we're doing at any given moment. And right now, I'm aware that I feel really weird, a little bit silly. Bing, bing. Love my new haircut. Makes me feel really sophisticated. And I feel like I'm 27. I'm 27. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I'm gonna be 27. Oh my goodness. On Monday. What the heck? Oh dear. Who's 27? All you 27 people out there. How does it feel? We made it. We got here. Well, I'm not there yet, but we're close. I'm so close. 27. Right around the corner. It's going to be a great year. 2020, 2021. Let's do this. And if it's a shit year, that's just how it is. I guess there's nothing really else to say about being tipsy. Like, honestly, like, you just feel it and you just feel fun. And, like I really feel it in my body. My whole body's like, whoa, 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 whoa. You know? But that's pretty much it. So I don't know, if you feel that, let me know. If you don't, you know, get a little bit more tipsy. Maybe you're just not there yet. I'm just joking. Don't. Alcohol is bad and scary because it's poison for your body. So just be careful. Drink responsibly. Always drink responsibly. I limit myself to 3 drinks because that's a lot for me personally. But everyone has their own limit, you know. Some people are really like can drink a lot. Some people can't drink that much. So everyone has their own limit. So at points I couldn't even drink like 1 drink. I would puke. So that's just at points in my life I've had that. So it can change throughout your life as well. It's gonna be my birthday. It's gonna be everything. Yeah, birthdays are fun. Had fun with my family. You know, my family's fun. They like to eat a lot and drink a little bit and just have fun. Talk about cool stuff. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Maybe you thought I'm rambling, and maybe I am, but that's okay. Meditation is not always perfect. It is very random because our minds are pretty random. Someone asked me to do ASMR with like hand motions. Let me know what you think. Do you think I should do like ASMR hand motions? I was thinking of doing like okay, like this. You are beautiful. You have everything you need in yourself, right here in the present moment. All you need is what you are. There's no need to change. And if you do want to change, allow this change to come to you naturally, without forcing. Accept your own limitations and love everything that you are in the present moment. You're beautiful, you're kind, and you're aware. Just be aware of my hand motions and my voice. And be aware of how you feel currently. Just notice any sensations that come and go in your awareness. And love yourself. Send yourself genuine kindness and love, compassion, because you deserve it. You deserve love, acceptance, validation. You deserve even touch. Everything that you want, you deserve, even if you can't get it. We all deserve what we want. Because no one deserves less than that. So learn to love yourself and give yourself love, compassion, generosity, gratitude, and awareness, and acceptance. Accept all your flaws, all the things that society deems unattractive, unwanted. Accept those things. Love yourself for those things, because they're what makes you unique and different. So that was interesting. I feel much more calm. I don't know if that was proper ASMR. I didn't have a proper microphone or anything like that. I just winged it. And I'm a bit tipsy. We'll see if I include that. That was fun. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video, my tipsy fun ASMR practice meditation. Took a little turn because I my brain just does that, okay? So just accept that. If you can't accept that, then you can go watch another video. But if you can accept that, then enjoy my videos, because that's what I'm gonna do. I kind of am a sporadic person a little bit, so accept that. And know that that's why I don't honestly do very consistent videos. I'm not like every single day. I'm like every day, and then I'll stop, and then I'll do another day. So I'm sorry if you are one of those people that really likes consistency, because I'm one of those people that's not super consistent. I am as consistent as I can be, having a disability, having ADHD, having you know, depression and anxiety. I have to deal with those things on a daily basis, and that can be hard. So, you know, I have to accept that in myself. So if you can't accept that, that's one thing, but I have to accept it in myself. So it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Come back for more, and have an awesome day. Bye!